Good gracious. Oh man, nah, this is tough. This don't even look real. Ooh, my stomach hurt. I ain't walking on that. What's up, YouTube? We in a different location today. As you can see, let's take a better look. Oh, it's C7 Slim and his stunt driver. This view is crazy. I still need y'all help in the comments with them questions. I might post them first. I might re-ask some of the questions. But yeah, I'll have us a nice little drive back down the mountain. Gonna have us a nice little drive back down the mountain. This view is crazy. This is wow. It's just tough. Do I know where I'm at? Nope. Do I got GPS? Nope. We gonna thug it out anyway? Yes, sirski. Don't worry about it. Clip it back. Yeah. There she is. She a little dirty. We're gonna have to top off. I don't know how the lighting's gonna be, but we're gonna see. It's a very, very warm start. But how's she sounding? How's she sounding? Let's get going. I'm really supposed to be somewhere at a certain time, so we're gonna have to go a little bit. To the balls I can throw. Said I'm already knowing. Whoa, federal. Watch out. Actually, I might just keep that up and crop it the whole time. I think it'd be alright for a while though. Let's go sport. Actually, yeah, we gotta go sport. Let's get going. So, I don't know what video I'm gonna post first. But if this one is first, I asked the question in another video. Wanting to know. So I've had this car about 2 years. C7 Stingray. And it's time, well, the time is coming for me to progress. And I think I'm ready for it. So with that being said, my next price range is like from, ooh, is the wind noise gonna be bad? It can't be that bad, right? I don't know. But no, my next price range, 75 to 100, somewhere in between there. And I just need to know, like, I want some ideas on what my next step should be. Cause like ideally, I want to go Z06 just cause it looks so much more aggressive and I want this to be a lot faster. So instead of putting money into this, I can go get a Z06. But my whole idea, like I just want to pro charge, bro. Like the LT4 supercharger is cool, but it don't whine loud enough. So I don't know. But yeah, I'm thinking my head's all over the place. Not really a Mopar guy anymore. Look at all these Jeeps. I like Mopars, but it's like I don't want one for me right now. I want like a TRX later down the line, like my family truck. We gonna let you do your thing for a little bit. I'm talking. Minutes. I can't. Twisties, alright. I hope y'all can see it's not too dark. Ooh. Oh. But yeah, so like, I like Mopars. Look at the waterfall. I like Mopars, but I don't really want one right now. So give me some other options down in the comments for like, to challenge the Z06 C7. I'm not going back to a C6. Not that I had one before, but I'm not regressing. These are some twisties, but good. And it's wet out here. Oh, bumpy, bumpy. All right. And my ears pop. My ears pop. I don't know which side of social media you guys are on, but there's a viral question going on about the 100 men versus gorilla. At first, like my initial thoughts was that gorilla's gonna wipe out everybody. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. But then I started thinking about it and I kept having a conversation with people. 100 men is a lot of people. And I just don't see, like, if 100 people lose to one gorilla, if 100 men lose to one gorilla, I think it's just poor planning. I don't think the gorilla has a chance now. 100 people is just, and I understand how strong a gorilla is and how much it weighs, but it doesn't weigh more than 100 people. If it wasn't so, the road's already crazy windy, but if it wasn't wet, I'd be able to be a lot more aggressive. But with the roads being the way they are, we just play the hands we're dealt. You know what I'm saying? It's 8:27. I'm supposed to be back by. Oh shoot! I kind of gotta go. Crackling crazy. Must be the air up here. Might be a little different. Hold on. Like Mario Kart. Except it ain't no respawning. I don't want the wind to be too bad. Is that the wedding venue? I've seen pictures of it online, but never been here in person. I should have went and checked it out. $8:31. I know I keep stopping talking, my bad. Look, so really under 100K, what is the best car I can get? Like the best, I wanna feel engaged when I drive. Yeah, I'm leaning towards a manual right now, but I just want to feel like I want to upgrade from this. Z06. What else? What else is there? Oh, which way did I go? I don't even freaking. Ah, that sucks. Might be easy for me to just do this. Oh, listen now. I might be able to work out an RS7. I really like RS7s. But back to the 100 men versus gorilla thing. Look, oh, am I tripping? Look, he almost hit me. Huh? Oh, I didn't want to be loud. My bad. I got you.